Without further ado, let's get started. So let's go straight ahead to System and then click Settings. If you have multiple stores in your OC3 installation, they should appear here. Hit the Edit button on your store that you would like to edit. The first tab is called General. You will see the meta title field at the top. This is where you should set the name of your store and add a few keywords. You will see it appearing in the Browser tab here. Next up is the meta tag description, which shows up in the Google search results. The meta tag keywords field is used to enter all the keywords that are related to your business. Next is the theme field. You can choose between different store themes if you have installed any new ones. Last is the default layout field. If you want to assign the modules from other layouts to your homepage, this is where you select the layout you would like to use. Okay, so we can go ahead and click on the second tab, which is called Store. This is where you set your basic store settings, such as your store name, store owner name, and store address. Below those details is where you enter your geocode. Next is the admin email that your store is connected with. This is the email address that will receive all admin notifications. Underneath that, you should add a telephone number where customers can get in touch with you. The image you can add here will appear in your Contact Us page, next to the store details you configured above. Click the empty image, then Edit, and then select the image you would like to add. We will use a random image for the manager. Now it's time to list your working hours. This can either be the working hours of your physical store or the time when your customers can get in touch with you and ask for support. For the sake of the example, we will enter Monday to Friday from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. The final field is for any additional comments you might want your customers to know. For instance, docs allowed. Okay, so looks like we're all finished here. So let's go ahead and click on Save. Now to the storefront. Refresh the page and go to your Contact Us page. The link is located in the Customer Service footer menu. As you see, these are the details we just configured in the admin. So to recap, we have the image, store name, address, phone number, opening times, and comments. Okay, so that's all for part 1. Again, we go to the dashboard and then System, Settings. Click Edit, and then we go to the Local tab. Okay, so these are the main local settings on your store. They're used by shipping and payment providers, as well as their OpenCart extensions to calculate costs, taxes, etc. Your local settings are very important, so make sure to make no mistakes when configuring them. Okay, so first the country. Set the country where your business is located. In our case, we will select the United States. Underneath, select the region or state where your store is located. For our example, we will select New York, since that's where the address we set for our store in the previous video is. Next up are the languages. Set the languages you wish to display in your storefront and admin panel. The currency tab will select the default currency for your store. This will be the currency on your products that customers see when they enter your website. The auto update currency setting lets you enable or disable the automatic currency rate updates. Next, the default length class in your store are centimeters, millimeters, or inches. Let's go ahead and select inches. The default weight classes that we can choose among are kilogram, gram, pound, and ounce. Let's select pound. Great. These are the settings that shipping and payment methods will be using for their calculations when customers make their orders from your store. Okay, well, that wraps everything we would like to show you for this video. In the next part, you will learn more about the Options tab. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you found this video useful, and subscribe for more OpenCart 3 tutorials. See ya!